Welcome to Antune. Today's tutorial will be about Invention in A minor by Bach. It is for sure one of my favorites from this book. I'll try to give an idea how to approach with separate and both hands. If you are not able to play it through yet, it could be a little hard to try everything what I'm going to show and explain. If you are just starting to learn the piece and it goes too fast for you, stop the video anytime needed to practice as much as you want. Then you can go on after feeling ready. If you can already play it through, even in slower tempo, I recommend trying everything together with me. I will try to give you an idea how to play and design the piece. Alright, let's start with the first and second bar. Most of the times with Bach, I like to play the first beat a little stronger. The reason for that is I want to play with smooth timing and clear orientation. Of course, there is exceptions. It depends on the character, style, or the speed of the piece. In this case, I wouldn't make sharp accent, rather a very gentle one, with a little help from the wrist. Let's start only with the right hand. Obviously, we can't play the beginning of this bar stronger, since there is a break. So I would start softly here and play with a small accent on the first beat of the second bar. Let's try. I kind of bounce with my wrist when I want to play stronger. It helps me to produce natural tone with controlled volume. Alright, let's play the next 4 bars with the right hand. What I want here is to increase the dynamics as the 16 notes go downwards, and decrease it as the 8 notes go upwards. Also, I will make sure to finish the phrase softly. Let's try. Don't forget to keep your wrist as flexible as you can. Okay, now I will play these 6 bars, so the whole first phrase, only with right hand. Pay attention to how I phrase it. Okay, now let's try the left hand, only the first 2 bars. Remember, also here the first beats will be a little stronger and I'll bounce with my wrist. Let's keep it relaxed and flexible. Next 4 bars I would reverse my previous idea. I'll gradually play stronger the 8 notes and gradually softer the 16 notes. In this way, they will match perfectly because opposite rhythms are played at the same time. Still, first beats have very small accent in each bar. Let's try. Alright, now I will demonstrate playing both hands in a little faster tempo. You can keep it slow until you feel comfortable with it, so please don't force yourself to play fast. Let's move on to the next 7 bars. I'll go with the right hand first. So the idea is pretty much the same. Let's play with similar direction as the beginning. Increase the dynamics with 16 notes and decrease with the 8 notes. And let's not forget to play a little stronger on every first beat. Let's go for the left hand. So again, we do the opposite to the dynamics in the right hand. in order to match them when both hands played together. Let's try. Alright, now let's put them together. Especially 5th and 6th bars are quite crowded here, so I will play them much lighter. Remember to keep your wrist very flexible for deeper sound and also not having pain after practicing. Next 4 bars. We have only 16 notes with right hand, so let's try playing them very melodic and flowing. With left hand I want to do something different here. Although I generally play the 8 notes separately, I want to connect some of them here with the left hand and create small melodies to add some different flavor. I will play first 8 notes shorter, then I will connect the other 4. It will be same for next 3 bars as well. Hear how it sounds. Now let's put them together. Maybe let's play each bar softer than the previous one, in order to create powerful contrasts because they have same texture and it will sound much richer in dynamics. Next 4 bars, my plan is pretty much the same as the beginning. I play first beat stronger and I try to connect all the 16 notes as good as I can to make it sound flowing. Now let's try left hand. Also here try connecting the 16 notes precisely and do small gaps in between 8 notes. Now let's put them together. Four bars to go. In this last part, I want to start with 16 notes very softly and build it up towards the end. So in this case, I won't do accents anymore. I don't want to break the direction of this build-up. Let's try. Same approach with the left hand. I want to build it up gradually, so I will start softer. Now let's play them together. Alright guys, before I play through the whole piece, I will tell what my dynamic plan will be like. I want to play generally soft and smoothly. In that way I can make bigger contrast. It will be relatively fast, but let's try not compromising with articulation and details. Pay attention to where I do dynamic changes, and you can try the same as well. If you have sheet music in front of you, try following with me. If you don't have it, you can download it for free in the description below. There are my fingerings as well. Okay, let's go for it. For me, that would be the actual speed of this piece. I wouldn't play it faster because it will be against the character that I imagine. Try finding your own tempo and don't immediately play fast. You can first try slower and try implementing the ideas I've talked about. After you feel comfortable, you can try a little faster and eventually you will be able to play in optimum speed you want. Alright guys, I hope this was useful for you. I do have several other tutorials on Bach inventions, check them out as well. They are absolutely brilliant pieces and they will improve your playing. If you want me to make a tutorial about specific invention of Bach, let me know in the comments. All I have explained was an interpretation of this piece, so I might play it completely differently every time. Feel free to search for your own interpretation. You can also first try playing like I explained, and then you could play around with it. Well, good luck! I'll see you in the next tutorial.